What's up, guys? So we've got the new OxygenOS. This is the 10.3.0, excuse me. And yeah, so if you have a OnePlus, go ahead and update. I've been using it for about a day or two. This was a really good update because it fixed a lot of important stuff. So as you can see, it improved launching speed of some apps. I noticed it a little bit, but not really. Optimized RAM management, that was a really important one. So basically, if you're switching applications on this base model, the 6 gig model, I was noticing it was kicking applications out a little bit more than I would like. And so they have fixed that, and it is staying in process, which is really good. So I'm glad that they fixed that. I was starting to notice that, so that's awesome that they did that. So optimized black and white screen issue, so if you're having that issue, that's solved. Improved system stability and general bug fixes. It's always been a pretty smooth device, so I can't really say there, but we also have, security patch, whatever. But improved image quality, that was the most interesting one. Took some photos, and I can see definitely it does better in low light, and I took a lot of photos in kind of like a darker settings, and it definitely does. I think the camera is faster. First off, it's definitely faster in launching and focusing and tapping and stuff like that. I did notice that. And also I do think it takes a better picture, especially in lower light conditions. Now in daytime photos and stuff like that, I didn't really notice too much of a difference, but like I said, in lower light or kind of like medium light settings, it is taking better photos. The quality does look a little bit better, so I was really happy about that. So is it as good as like the Gcam port? I don't know yet. I have to compare both cameras, but I'm glad that they are upgrading and paying attention to the main camera application. So like I said, it is a little bit faster to me with focusing. So that's pretty much it. Pretty good update. What did you guys think? Have you guys noticed anything with the RAM management? OnePlus users? Be sure to let me know, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.